excuse the interruption, but good morning. It's a beautiful day here in the bow for the Nightmare Moon building. So get ready for breakfast in the cafeteria. How was your sleep, Lava Drop? It was good. Hello there, Watery and Lava Drop. What would you like for breakfast? I would like some pancakes. I would like waffles. Got it, coming right up. Enjoy your meals. Let's dig in 3, 2, 1. Bon appetit! That was very tasty. I know, right? Follow me to the BFNM class. Okay. Hello, students. Today we are going on a field trip to the beach. Yay! Woohoo! The bus will be here in 3 to 5 minutes. So you guys can chit-chat until the bus comes. Look, the bus is here. Hey, Watery and Lava Drop, are you guys marrying? Steely, you need to zip it, or else I'm telling Mr. Host. Yeah, Steely. Womp womp. Okay, you've asked for it. Mr. Host? Yes, Lava Drop, what is it? Steely won't stop bullying us. Oh shoot, I'm cooked. Steely, is this true? See me after class. Thanks, Lava Drop. You're welcome. Why? Hey, we're here. Okay, guys, there are 2 changing rooms behind you. One for boys and one for girls. Okay, we got everything we need. Now it's time to swim. Nice, this water is nice and cool. I agree, it's also making me turn cold. And I like it very much. This is so much fun. I know, right? Hey, why don't we play volleyball after that? Okay, sure. Ready? Yes. Ow! Sorry, Lava Drop. It's okay. I'll get the ball. Hey, who is this guy? I don't know. What's 9 plus 10? 21? Bruh, it's 19, not 21. No, here, I was just kidding. Where did that person go? Did you find the ball? Nah, some fishes were like talking underwater before I would have noticed the ball. It's okay. Let's just do some fun activities. Okay, sure. Boom, boom, boom. BFNM students, playtime is over. You may now change to your original clothes. After you change to your original clothes, follow me to the bus. Okay, the bus is here. Let's go. Man, that was awesome. I know, right? I can't believe that I'm getting in trouble with the host after class.